everybody, it's Princess Heather here, and today I will just be showing the little Lainey. Oh my gosh, I keep getting it wrong. Lainey was just playing with slime, so just start playing with slime. I don't know.
Her name isn't actually Obey, it's Lainey.
Yeah, I don't know why I keep getting it wrong.
I don't know why she keeps on saying Obey. Maybe she got it from Obama or something. But her name is Lainey.
Okay. Oh, no, you can continue playing. I was talking to him. I mean, I was talking to Spirit. Happy World Down Syndrome Day. Where you going? Where you going? And look at this new Beanie Boo she got. Look at this new Beanie Boo she got. It's stilts. Yeah. Alright, y'all, my popcorn is ready. That is enough for today, and bye, everyone.